Hello everyone. In continuation to our topic learning curve, this is comprehensive numerical problem number 3. A lot of 20 units is to be produced. Labor cost is rupees 150 per hour. Setup cost is rupees 3,500 and material cost is rupees 1,500 per unit. The learning percentage is expected to be 90. Overhead is charged at the rate of 50% of total material, labor and setup cost. Determine the average unit cost for the lot when the first unit took 5 hours to complete. So the last sentence, the first unit took 5 hours to complete means our A value is 5 hours. And then X is 20 units. Learning percentage is given as 90%, which is 0.9. That means our B will be logarithm of 0.9 to the base 10 divided by logarithm of 2 to the base 10. Now we need to find out logarithm of 0.9. That can be written as logarithm of 9 divided by 10. That can be further simplified as log 9 minus log 10. Log 9 can be written as 2 log 3 because 9 is 3 square. So 2 log 3 minus 1. And log 3, we know it is 0.4771 minus 1. So this we will get negative 0.0458. So therefore, this is about log 9, log 0.9. So therefore, B will be negative 0.0458 divided by 0.301 because we know logarithm of 2 is 0.3010. So that will give us, if we calculate, it will give us negative 0.1522. Now we have the learning model as y is equal to a x to the power of b, which is 5 times 20 to the power of minus 0.1522. Now let k is equal to 20 to the power of minus 0.1522, which means logarithm of k is negative 0.1522 times logarithm of 20. So that means logarithm of k is negative 0.1522 times, we can split this into log 2 plus log 10, which is negative 0.1522 times 0.3010 plus 1. So if we calculate this, we will get this as negative 0.198. That means k is antilog of negative 0.198. Now let us calculate the antilog using a regular calculator. So first we will have to type this negative 0.198. Then we will multiply this by 0.5 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then double 4. And then whatever we get the resulting number, we will add it with 1 to get 0.9969 and then 1. Then after that, we will have to enter multiplication sign and equality sign together 19 times in our regular calculator. By doing that, we will arrive at 0.63. So that is our what you call anti-lock. That is our K value, 0.63. Therefore, Y is equal to 5 multiplied by 0.63. If we calculate, we will get 3.15 hours per unit. Therefore, total time for 20 units is 20 into 3.15. We will get 60. Let me calculate that. 63 hours. So now, labor cost for 20 units is equal to 63 multiplied by 150. We get 9450. Then setup cost, it is given in the question. That is 3,500. Then material cost is given is 1,500 per unit into 20 units. That will give us 30,000. Together, if I add, we will get 42,950. Then on this, overheads are charged at the rate of 50%. On 42,950, we will get 21,475. So again, if I add, this will be our total cost plus 42,950. We'll get to 64,425. We are supposed to calculate average unit cost. Average unit cost, sorry. Equal to rupees 64,425 divided by 20. We'll get rupees 3,221.25. That will be the average unit cost, right? This is the solution for this particular question.